Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm still filming on my laptop, so this might be a bit blurry. I'm not sure, I think it might. But anyway, in today's video, I actually made this squishy up. We are going to be making a type of squishy. I don't know what type because I haven't named it yet. But all you need is cling film, some paper, pens if you want to colour it in, stuffing or a plastic bag, scissors and tape. And this video is unedited, which means I'm not going to add any music in, or I'm not going to do any voiceovers or quicken parts up. So yeah, let's get into this. So first what you need to do is get some cling film, like ordinary cling film. You can get this, I bet you'll already have some because you can get it from supermarkets and lots of people use it to wrap food. It's just like a square or a long rectangle of cling film. Then get your plastic bags or stuffing. I'm going to use some stuffing because I have loads from all my paper squishies. And then just put it in the middle and put some sides in. Put the sides into the middle, like so. Ideally try and make this into a ball shape, because you'll see why later. Okay, so now you need to get your tape. Here, my tape end. Here it is, I think. Yep, found it. Okay. So now you need to just tape where the end bit is from where the cling film is. So this is what it looks like so far, my one. But it's not over yet. You can leave it like this, but I want to decorate mine. So to decorate it, you need to get some paper. You need to do this, like that. Put a sheet of paper. Get your scissors. My scissors are in my pencil case. Okay. And then just chop. Measure first how much you need. Okay, so I need about that much. And then just cut off the excess. I don't need this. Okay, so now it should look like kind of a roll, sausage roll. You don't need the excess. And now with the piece of paper that you've cut, you can decorate it. So I'm not sure what I'm going to put on it. I think I'm just going to do some doodling. So maybe some love hearts. And these pens I really like because they're really thin. They're thin topped. So it's good for writing, but not good for colouring in large bits of paper squishies. So I used a different type of pen for that. I think it's Crayola? Yeah, I think it's them. Or I've forgotten the other one, but I have them in my pencil case at school, so I won't be able to go to school right now because it's the weekend. I've forgotten what they're called, but in my next video, because I'll be back at school in my next video, I'll tell you what type of pens they are, so then you can get them. ASMR time. Okay, so I've finished doing my doodling now. So this is what my doodles look like. Can't show them all on camera. But oh yeah, sorry for the background noise. I'm in my bedroom right now filming because it's really noisy downstairs. But you might get some of the background noise from downstairs as well. Okay, so now you need to take your bit of like squishy, then get your piece of paper, put it on the back, and then just roll it like this. It should look like that, like the sausage it did before, just with doodles on. Then take your tape, there, yeah. Get your tape, put it onto here, and then, oh no. Okay, so that wasn't actually supposed to happen. Like the sellotape actually stuck to the cling film, but that's okay because that's actually going to make it easier now for you to roll. So yeah, so then you need to roll it, get some more sellotape, okay, and put it onto the end, like this, and then put it on the end. So it looks like this. Wait, there. Okay, so now at the end you need to just fold it in like this bit's quite hard actually. I didn't actually realise how hard it was. Okay, finally. It's kind of like wrapping a present, but it's wrapping a squishy. Okay, so now you need to get this piece of paper and then just fold the end up. Also, if you don't have any paper or sellotape, then that's fine. You don't need to decorate it. I just thought it would be quite cute to decorate. Okay, so now you need to do it to the other end, like this. And then get your tape, like this. And then tape that end down. Right. Okay. So now, if you want to, you can laminate all down, all over here with this, like all the where the paper shows with the sellotape. But I don't want to do that because I like the way it looks now. So this is how the final product turned out. It's got doodles on. I'm not sure if you can see, but it's really squishy. That I think I might make loads of squishies like this now. Oh, you can't even see. Is it gone? There you go. This is how squishy is. I love it. So good. Like it does get crinkly when you start playing with it and it's not laminated, but I'm not going to play with it much because I'll probably just keep this in my paper squishy drawer. Yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please click that like button and smash that subscribe button if you haven't already. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great week, and bye!